Some people have been reaching out to me and tell me, Faith, please, I need an app that I can use it to chat with people online. Even if they don't get paid, they don't mind. They just needed something that can keep their company. They can use to make friends at home. They just needed lively something. I decided to review this app. Though I have been on this app and some of my students have been using it to chat with people. Though on this app, you can earn on this app, but it's not an app that will, I will tell you that you will go there and make so amounts in a day. No, this app doesn't work that way. This app is just for you to use it to make friends. And when making friends, you can actually accumulate points. And those points that you are going to accumulate is the one that you are going to be withdraw on this app. But it is not a guarantee. Okay? Just for people that want to make friends, or in case you are making friends and you accumulate money, okay, and maybe you see someone can give to you there or reply messages, you can earn points on the app and withdraw it. Okay, so but disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purpose only. I am not sponsored by Mako Life. Okay, this video is based on my personal experience. Always make sure you do your own research before wasting your time or investing your money in any app mentioned on this video. Now, I'm going to show you how to sign up on this platform. As you can see, when you're looking at my screen, you know that I've already showed you how to sign up on this platform. I decided to log out on my previous account to show you how to sign up on this app successfully, okay? All you need to do is for you to go to Play Store and download this particular app and sign in. Once you choose your Google account to sign in, then you need to upload your profile very well by updating your gender. Make sure when selecting a gender, be very careful, because once you select your gender, you cannot be able to modify it again. You need to add your tag, okay? As you can see, I just add my own now. Then you are going to see miracle, okay, with chef emoji. Right now, you need to go ahead and verify your face, okay. Without you have verifying your face, you cannot be able to proceed on this app. Now I need to go ahead and upload my profile photo I want to use here. Then I'm going to search the profile photo I want to use, but I'm going to be blocking some my gallery here because of my important documents, okay. I snap here, okay. So now I'm looking at the picture I want to use to verify my face on this place. But make sure before I verify yourself, make sure at least you upload picture on your profile, okay, before you can start to verify, okay. So that you don't make a mistake when trying to set up your account, because that is a mistake a lot of people do. Once you go to the app, you made a mistake by selecting maybe a female, you go and make a mistake of selecting female, okay. By the end of the day, you will delete your account, and once you delete your account and come back, the app is already know that this person have already been on this app, okay. Now be very careful while doing everything. So I need to go ahead and select this profile picture I want to use. Then I'm going to add it on my profile picture, okay. They are going to be revealing it, okay. Within a second, it's going to be done. Right now you can see that I need to start my face verification. Let me start it now, okay. Let me start it now. You can see verification step one, step two. So you can see upload your image. You need to go ahead and upload the same image that you upload on your profile, okay. So just go ahead and search for the same image that I used to upload my profile picture, okay. Just give me a second. Let me just look for the profile that I used. The profile that I used is it's not up on my gallery. So now I've seen it, then I need to go ahead and pick it. Once you pick it, it's going to appear this way, okay. It's going to load so that they will know that it is the same one that you upload on your profile is the one that you're going to upload here again. As you can see, the picture is already appeared. Then you need to go ahead and allow the camera, okay. They're going to ask you to open your mouth, okay. You're going to open your mouth, okay. Anything they ask you to do, do it. Now I need to open my mouth, and they ask me to please shake your head. Say now, let me just go ahead and shake my head, okay. I shake my head, then they let me just keep on shaking. As you can see, please face left. You need to do it as they tell you, because once you made a mistake here, they're like your verification is going to fail. Okay, by then it's going to stress you. Now, after doing everything, they rejected it again. They tell me that I should start afresh. But in case your own stress you this way, okay, always make sure you follow their prompts, okay. Now the verification have been successful, okay. Now it have been successful. Once you come back to the app, then you're going to notice that your profile have been verified. As you can see, verified. Let me just try to make sure I circle it so that you will see. You can see daily bonus, chat settings, my level, renting, token. So blind invitation code. Okay. If you have invitation code, add it. Okay. So I didn't have invitation code because I have been on this app for completely two years. But I said, okay, let me just use this particular one to use it as a tutorial on this video. Okay, right now we are going to see token, the token, but this one is for people that want to, maybe you want to chat with people. You can actually get coins there and use it to chat with friends. It's just for fun. Okay, always note that when recharging it, it is not something that you will be recharge and be expecting return. No, I haven't even recharged anything. I'm a lady, so I haven't even recharged. And some of my students that are doing this app, they haven't recharged anything. Okay, but if you want to recharge, always bear in mind that it is for fun. Right now you can see newbie tax. So you can see complete a profile certification. Like for you doing a verification, you need to come to your newbie tax and claim your, by you are verifying your face. Okay, now you can see have 0.5 approved photo. For if you want to upload photo on your account, you can go ahead and upload photo. Once they approve it, you're going to come here and earn this plus 5 credit. Okay, and credit is the one you're going to be withdrawing. Okay, you can see that there is a lot of reward you can actually earn on this particular app. Okay, this is the how much I have earned just by me doing my newbie reward, and it hasn't done yet. Okay, now you can see that if you click on this invite to earn, you are going to see that even if you invite people, you can you can earn from it. Okay, that is another way people actually using it to earn extra income on this app. Okay, now you can see video call. You need to display it. If it is toggle or off, make sure you toggle it on. Okay, so greeting, you need to go ahead and tap your auto greeting so that anybody that chat you up, then the greeting is going to be automatic. Okay, so it will reply immediately, then you will earn credit even if you are sleeping. As far as your own for your phone, there is a network on it, then it will send automatic greeting. Okay, anybody that chats you. Okay, now you can see level one, they have level by level, and now this is the where you are going to be meeting people. Okay, this thing you are saying now, start now, is one. I don't want to own it because of community guideline. Okay, so I don't want to own this particular because of privacy and everything. Okay, this is the message is going to be coming up. Okay, now if you reply this message immediately, this person sent, you are going to automatically earn credit on this place, and the credit is the one you're going to be withdrawing. Okay, you can see export, you can see nearby. Okay, now if you click on this particular place, like I said before, this is the where you're going to be meeting friends. Once you are done with your face verification, you are going to be having this place where you can actually be meeting with people. Now if you come over here, you're going to see send auto greeting. For you setting your automatic greeting, then you're going to claim credit. As you can see, I have 10 credit on this account. Now you can see that if you come over to the withdraw option, you're going to see that I have 0.10. That is almost 0.10 cents. Okay, so you can see that this app, you can actually use it to make friends, and you can actually use it to earn extra income only if you do their tax or you see people that you will talk to. That is where you're going to be earning extra income. But if it does not chat with people, if it does not reply messages, if it does not do any tax on this app, trust me, you're not going to be earning anything. Okay, and this is their withdrawal method. You can withdraw with USDT, you can withdraw with ePay. For people that are from Philippines, other country, they have their withdrawal method. If your withdrawal method is not here, all you need to do is for you to click on others. If you click on others, that is where you're going to see the withdrawal method that is available for you. Okay, there's one thing that I've experienced on this app that I want you guys to know, because the first time you downloaded this app and you keep on chatting with people, maybe within you can chat with people within to 2 hours, and you keep on receiving it. Maybe you'll come back to the next day, you might not receiving call as you receive for the first time that you downloaded this app. Give it a time. Maybe your call got limited. Give it a time and come back again and start afresh. Okay, this is how this place work. Okay, have this app. I want you to share your thoughts on the comment section. Let me know. Bye for now.